In this video, I'm discussing how you can start a six-figure recruiting agency in as little as 30 days. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Natasha, the business recruiter. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, then shout out to you. Thank you so much for checking out the content. The focus of my channel is all things recruiting, from landing your dream job to starting your own recruiting agency. So if you're considering starting your own recruiting agency, then there are some key steps that you need to take. And honestly, they're pretty simple. You can get this done in 30 days or less. So let's dive in with step number one, which is to determine the name of your recruiting agency. And honestly, this shouldn't take you longer than a day. My best advice is to keep it simple, short, and professional. Once you have determined your name, you can then move on to step number two, which is to establish your recruiting agency as a business entity. Whether that be a sole proprietorship, LLC, or even corporation, make sure you take the time to register your business with the state. Step number three is to ensure that you apply for an employer identification number, or EIN. And for those who are not familiar with an EIN, essentially it's like a social security number for your business. And this is going to be needed come tax time. Now, if you're enjoying the content so far, then be sure to go down below and hit that subscribe button as well as that bell so that you can get notified of all of my new videos that drop each week. Now, our last and final step, which is step number four, is going to be a big one. And that is to have your operations plan thought out before you take on any clients, meaning that you should know who you're going to reach out to in terms of potential clients, how you're going to find their contact information, how you're going to fill their requisitions, the software that you're going to use, including a CRM, and so much more. This also includes having your contract in order and ready to go before you do your first reach out. And if you're still looking for a solid contract template, then I have you covered. I'll leave the link down below in the description box for you to actually download my free contract template that I have. It'll be a great resource for you as you get started. Well, that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, then be sure to give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.